Hey everybody, John Malanka here, United Patients Group, Be Informed and Be Well, and just did another cooking show. And the cooking show we did with Jeff, the 420 chef, was brownies, and they're delicious. But in the topic of conversation came up one of the old pioneers, which a lot of people, and this happens in everyday life, you know, we kind of see what's in front of us and forget what's behind us. And one of the people that really paved this way was a woman named she went by the nickname Brownie Mary, Brownie Rathbun. And she, in the 90s, 80s and 90s, she was a volunteer at San Francisco General, and she made brownies for the AIDS patients. And just knowing that what the benefits are of this plant, not only for patients of all, but the AIDS patients in pain and wasting syndrome, etc. And she was a cannabis activist, and she worked alongside with Dennis Perone. Dennis Perone was also another an AIDS patient and AIDS activist, and they live in San Francisco, and they worked to really get this information out about the benefits of cannabis. And so again, total pioneer. What we're seeing here in 2021 and beyond, you know, please don't. I mean, I've been in this industry for about 11 years, and a lot of new people that have come in don't know the history of, you know, some of these activists that really paved the way. In 1991, she and Dennis Perone passed a law in San Francisco for medical cannabis use, and then in 1996, the Prop 215 for cannabis use for medical use here in the state of California. And so Jeff and I, Jeff the 420 chef, we spoke about pioneers. I was talking about Brownie Mary. He spoke about Dennis Perone, and who's somebody that's an inspiration for you, or a pioneer that we do not want to forget what they've done for us here in the cannabis industry, as well as the patients, and moving forward. So love to hear your thoughts. And anyway, wishing you all a blessed day. And to Brownie Mary, I salute you and have a bite of brownie for you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.